What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. We're going to dive into Polygon. Before we get into this, I just want to thank you all for supporting my channel. We've grown so much over the last month. I think I was only at 100 subs a month ago, so thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting and coming back to watch these videos and taking time out of your day supporting me. It'd be so appreciated if you could share these videos as well, retweet them on Twitter, because that's where I post them, on Twitter. Turn the notification bells on for both, like this video, subscribe of course, and comment down below what altcoin you want to see next. Obviously I cover so many coins, so I can't of course do all the altcoins everyone asks for, but ones that get a lot of requests, then of course I will. So Polygon, what is going on? Yesterday I told you guys that we were conforming to this trend line, and we actually fell below this trend line over here, and we actually came to this key support zone over here. Can you see how it's lined up exactly? And you bounced off there and you got back above that trend line, confirming it as support. And not only that, yesterday I told you the most key level for this bull market for Polygon is $1.55, and we're holding that exactly, and we're conforming to this uptrend, and this uptrend is outside of this falling wedge. Now that we're outside of this falling wedge, we're retracing to the top of that falling wedge, which I gave you many days ago, maybe even last week, at $2.13. That's your technical target at the top of the falling wedge. I also said that our new impulsive wave, if this here is the low, which it looks like it is, if this here is the low, our new impulsive wave, once we get above $1.88, is $2.90. So I hope you have seen that video. If not, just go back to yesterday's video, I think it was. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. So yesterday I had this, I've deleted it now, but yesterday I had this small ascending triangle over here, and then we fell out of it. I think we fell out of it, yep. So I had this ascending triangle here with a technical target at $1.65 basically, sitting at the 20 EMA, and of course we've met that now. So with this, you actually fell out. I've removed the the Fibonacci's as well. Let me get them fibs that I had on yesterday. So I don't even know if that was the correct fibs. We'll just go with it. So you came down to the 1618, you've got back above those three fib levels over here, and now we're working our way back above the one. Once we get above the one and we can confirm that as support, it's looking good. What I don't like about this break is that you never back tested this as support. So let's say if you ever to lose this support over here, this upward trend line, which I don't think we will, but let's say we would, if we were to, you'd come back to this. But I'm not saying we will, okay? I don't think that we will as well, and I'll show you why in a second. So I'm just going to delete this all now because our technical targets have been met. We'll go to the 1 hour to see it a bit clearer. So what I want to see now is for Matic to break above this 0 point, and then we can say we've got new impulsive wave targets to the upside. So that would be once we break above $1.63, which was lining up with our technical target out of the ascending triangle, sorry. Once we get above that, we've got to and break the 1 at $1.72, which we're sitting at now. We could get rejected here. We could come back to the 786 or even to this pink trend line and hold that as support, coming back to these EMAs basically. So if we can confirm that as support, then you're forming a large inverse head and shoulders, a reversal pattern, and also an ascending triangle over here. So two reversals patterns in one, and your technical target out of them would be, if we break this $1.72 resistance, look at that, beautiful. So we have a technical target at the top over here at $1.96. This is, I'll show you something that's acting as confluence to this target basically. Of course you're above the 1618, which is our technical target anyway, once we break above this. So that's above that, because actually what happens when you get to the 1618 is you fall back to the 1.272 or the 1, or you could come to down here as low as that and still be bullish, and then you'd head to the 2414, and look where that is sitting at, guys. The top of this falling wedge over here, which I've given you many days ago, at $2.13. That's $2.12, but look at that, it's lining up exactly. So I'm going to remove that now because I wanted to tell you why we have some confluence for the fact that we are going to come up here, and that's because we have this falling wedge which we've broken out of. And with this falling wedge over here, let's get that exactly, yeah, so with that falling wedge over here, once you break out, you're retracing to the top. So you're retracing to the top anyway because you've fallen out of it, and you've confirmed higher highs and higher lows since the breakout over here. And that means we're starting this uptrend, which is confirmed by the bullish cross on the EMAs. If these two EMAs get above the 200, the white one, even more bullish, guys, basically. And then you'd fall back to them, confirming that we are going to continue in this uptrend. And anyway, we are retracing to the top. So anything in between the breakout over here or the breakout over here and this target is waffle. So if you do dip, it's all waffle because you are now retracing to the top. And we're having this falling wedge, which is going to bring us to here, taking us to the top of this falling wedge. So it's all looking good, guys. It's all looking good because we're above $1.55, which is the most key level for this bull run. And I told you guys in my my technical target for the bull run video that this is the most key level because this is the larger 0618. And the 1618 is sitting at $6.50, so I could see Matic getting up there in this bull run. That would be incredible gains, guys. So I hope you've taken action and getting into Polygon. If not, it's still good because you're learning from the TA in these videos. So that'll be it for Matic today. Please share this with everyone you know because we're trying to grow this community. This is the best community because it's growing so bloody fast. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart again. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.